Hello, I wonder if I should microwave this. Today I'm going to microwave this metal or steel wool type thing. I call it a steel condom because that's kind of what it looks like. And it is steel. Listen. Oh, wait. Can't really. Hold on, wait. You can tell it's steel by that, hopefully. Okay, so this might be a short episode because hopefully it will go fast. So here's my remote. If the show ever becomes popular, I'm going to sell this because this is a pretty awesome desk item. If any of you want to buy it, tell me and I can make you a special offer, I guess. So here's the steel condom right here. I will put on my mask real quick. Safety always comes first. And my dad just makes me wear this because, no, not really, but yeah. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so now that I have my mask on, I'm gonna go ahead and put the condom in. Hopefully nothing's still in here. So, put the condom in. Center it so everyone can see. I'm gonna put it in for 3 minutes. Or 2, actually. I don't want to waste that much time. I'm going to turn the fan off because we don't need it right now. So get ready because here we go. Holy crap. Okay. Something's happening over here. Wow, this is amazing. Yeah, I told you to bear with me on the first experiment. I told you they would get better. You're wondering why it's shaking so much because I'm trying to put on my gloves while filming at the same time. Oh my gosh, crap. Sorry. Good thing nothing happened while I dropped it. Now it's just like flaming. Whoa, something shot out right there. That is really bright. That's why I have the camera right in front of me. So it's not so bright. It's not even doing that much. 1 minute left. I'm gonna inspect the damage actually. Doesn't look like it's doing much. Well, it kind of just deflated a little. Whoa, that is actually red hot right now. That is actually red hot. That blue glowing thing, it is red hot. It was. Hold on, I'm going to turn it on for longer. Stop. 3 minutes. 3 minutes and 30 seconds works too. Holy crap, it's even stronger now. Wow. Well, it's like fireworks. Really, it is like fireworks. Okay. I'm afraid this. Whoa, hold on. Holy crap, that's very bright. Amazing how bright you can get in the microwave. So I'm going to turn on the fan here. Crap, turn on. Whoa, smoking a lot here. Okay. Not much. Whoa. Okay, so ashes. Holy crap, that's actually hard. it's not really ashes, it's more like, hold on, it's still like cracking from me. See, this is like, they're actually pretty hard, and this was red hot right here. So basically it put us on a hell of a light show, so if you want to microwave this, go ahead. It's pretty dang sweet. So thank you for watching, comment, and subscribe. This is a brand new introduction.